Morning, my name is Tom Woodall. This is ESL Level 3 and 4, and it's Monday, October the 15th, 2012. Today we're going to talk about how to make a WH question, and we're going to experiment using the overhead. I know that there's some lines going up here, which is kind of odd, but that's because of the projector is digital. But we'll practice, we'll see if it's annoying or if it's okay. So, how do you make a WH question? Okay, so WH means your 6 friends. Okay, so who are the 6 friends?
Who, what, where, when, why, how.
Friends.
Who, who,
What?
S.
who,
What,
what,
Where?
where,
When.
why,
how. Okay, so what does who mean? I don't know what, my fingers are kind of funny today. We're going to go ahead and see what we can do. Who, okay, I'm going to pay attention. Who,
no,
okay, so what am I doing now? Heavens. Who equals a person, or plural is, what's plural of person?
People.
People. 1 person, 2 people. 10 people, okay? Plural. What is the matter here? Okay. So what does what mean?
Area.
What's that?
Thing.
Thing, idea. Okay, idea. Idea. A thing or idea? Idea. What is a thing?
Table.
Outside of you. Everything that is outside of you. An idea is inside, okay? Inside your brain. I mean, your mind. Okay, so thing or an idea. What is where? Okay, we also use place, okay? Place or location, that's... So, place or location, so here. Okay, Pasco is a place. Yakima is a place. This classroom is a place. That chair is a place, okay? So where's the chair? It's there, okay? So we're talking about where is a location or place. When? Time. Okay, what is time? Time is money. No. Okay, so we have 2 kinds of time, right? 2 kinds of time. We have the time on the clock. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 10:04, 10:15, 3:15. That's clock time. Okay, what time is it? 10:01. Okay, so then we have the grammar time. Okay, when we're talking about grammar, we say the time.
past time, future.
Okay, right. Past, present, and future. Okay, so that's our time. That time, where do we see the time? Usually it's in the verb. Okay, again, we're just talking, when we talk grammar, the time is in the verb. The when did I go to Seattle? Past time. So my verb shows past time. I went. Okay? Except for a WH question. We have to use a do. We'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so why? What does why mean?
Reason.
The reason. What's the answer?
Because.
Because.
because. Okay, so the question is, why did you do that? Why did I go to Seattle?
Because.
I went to Seattle because. Okay, whenever you hear the word because, you know the question is why. Okay, so when you're using the word because, you're answering a question about why. You're explaining, why did you do that? I did this because I had to. Okay, and how? How much? How many? How long? How often?
How are you?
Yeah, so how often do you come to school? How do you do? How long?
1 year.
How long have you been? Right, okay, so it gets down to be and do. Okay, so be is a condition, do is an action. So this comes around to a verb, okay? We're looking at what's happening in the verb. The why, we're looking for the cause. The when, we're looking for the time. When, where, the location or place. What, the thing or idea. Who, the person or people. Your 6 friends. Who, what, where, when, why,
How?
how. So, we call these WH words. Okay? WH words, because of the WH. Okay, so how is a little bit funny, but it works the same as the WHs and the others. It's okay. So the WH words are used to make questions. Okay, a specific kind of question. Again, it's a long answer question. You cannot answer just yes or no. It doesn't make sense. So, So we use the WH words to make a question, to make questions that ask for more information than just yes or no. They must be answered with a long answer. Where did you go? I went to Seattle. Why did you go to Seattle? Because I went to a party. When did you go to Seattle? I went to Seattle on Saturday. So I'm giving more information. So when you want to know more information, you make a WH question. Not a problem. Wait a minute, small problem. Okay, so how do you make a yes/no question? I mean, WH question. I don't want the equal sign, sorry. So you're going to say WH plus do. This is a do support. It's an auxiliary do. It's an extra do that we must use with the WH word. The subject, you can use the name, or you can use the pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, plus the verb. And the verb is in the simple form. There's no ed, there's no ing, there's no extra marks on it, there's no s, even if it's third person, singular. It's just the verb. John goes to school every day. Where does John go every day? Does go. Where did John go yesterday? Go, simple form. Always simple. The do shows the time. So you must use do between the WH word and the subject. Between the WH word and the subject, you must use do. The do shows the time, the past, the present, and the future. The past, that's the grammar time. Must use do between the WH word and the subject. The do The do shows the time, past, present, and future. So what do you like to study? What did you study yesterday? When will you study speaking? When will we study speaking? Why did you come to the United States? How did you come to the United States? Past time shows up in the do, in the did. So the do is between the WH word and the subject. The do shows the time, past, present, and future. Some examples. Okay, I'm going to move this on to the next page. I go up here to insert. Okay, here's home, here's insert. Come down here to page break. So I'm going to make a break, put that on the new page. Okay, then I can move it up. Okay, give me an example with what?
What do you want?
Okay, so WH, do, subject, want, the verb. Question mark. How about who?
Who you are?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Okay, so now we're getting into the more interesting realm also. We're going to use, when the verb is be, okay, you do not use be. Who. Okay, so who's an exception, all right? It's not this. Who needs help, right? Who went to Seattle? Okay, so who is different? So we're going to take that out of there because it's not, it does not use the extra do.
Whose name is the Tom? Whose name?
What is that?
That's a question.
Fine, a moment. Just let me see if I can save my display here. Okay. I thought I did that on it. I guess I did not. Where is the book? Try to make it smaller so that I can get it onto. Never mind. We'll just undo that.